Okay guys, so today I found this YouTuber. Yeah, and I make this animation because I made a new content. So clean up YouTube. Okay, so I found this new YouTuber. I think this guy is in love with some type of sound effects. And trust me, this YouTuber, it has to be bro. Bro, this guy loves these sound effects. I don't know if he's from Thailand. Okay, so I found this YouTuber called Camera Food Cooking and has 200,000 subscribers, 2,000 videos. Oh my god, it's all about this guy and this thing. Why is his face like that? Is this a disease, guys? Oh no, he lives in Thailand. Okay, let's check his first recent videos. What the fuck? What is bro doing? The guy's in bed with a barefoot legs. What? Bro, where are your shoes on? Seriously?
El Pepe.
Okay, I'm not gonna judge on this YouTuber. This YouTuber sounds like cool, yeah, you know. But I want to look at his most popular videos, you know? I'm gonna check his popular videos. So let's check. 20 million. Okay. And 200,000 likes. What is bro doing this thing? Is he gonna fart? What? Okay, let's see it. I don't know why is he adding these sound effects, like crunch sound. It's nothing about this crunch, but he never shows the sound effects of his, What? Why you don't show and the green glitches? People are talking about who saw something green. I saw, bro. Let me like. Oh damn. Again, they're not they're doing some type of random sound effects, which is they're eating and yeah, weird, right? But I don't understand why they don't why they don't want us to know that this is not the real. This is the real sound, bro. We need to know your real sound. Damn. Okay, so apparently I have to go to their. I think I have to go to their videos to find about that thing. Masterly Cook. Man, their name is Masterly. Okay. It's about the music. They have a live stream. They make a live stream. Camera Food Cooking is live. Okay. It's on live. Okay, so we can hear their voice. We can't hear their voice, but we can hear the sound in the background. What is bro cooking? Is this bro cooking an animal? Wait, is that a rat? Ew! You're making a rat? Okay, I'm not gonna judge on this. But this is a 1 minute live stream. What the hell? Is he at the platform train? What? Camera Cooking is on live. Okay. We can hear them. This is the cameraman? What? Okay, so we can't hear these people. These people, like little these one. So I think we have to go to the oldest videos, okay? What? Bunch of foods. What the hell is that? Is this a me? This is a bot. Is this a private place? Oh no! This is him. This is how he sounds like. What? No. What the hell is that, bro? This is what, bro? Is this a monkey's? Oh no. This is him? This is the bro who's the cameraman the whole time? Nah, bro. Bro, put a shirt on. This doesn't make any sense. I was literally looking this kid sounds. So I can't even find it. And I have to find out why is this bro literally making a sound effect until this happened. Okay, I was like scrolling and I found this bro's video again. Let's find about that. Bro, did he just remove the shirt? Is he gonna swim? Whoa! We just heard his voice. We just heard this dude's voice. Okay. Continue.
Ôi bị bay.
យើងចង់ស្វែងរកណាគេវិញ
ខ្ញុំយកគ្រូ
ទឺ
This is his voice. Now we found this bro's voice. Wait, but they
Accent.
found it. They just linked. There's another channel. Is this bro's channel? What? What? No, we have to go there. We're just finding so many informations about them. Look.
ចៃឆៃចេះបើត្រាញ់យូរហ្នឹងដាក់ពាក់ចូលទូយកវាហាវាបានគេ
Không, chưa man.
ខែដល់6000
This is the kid who talks. This is the kid who's on the making sound
Accent.
effects. We found this kid. We found this kid's voice. Wow, I'm so genius. This was the kid. This was the kid, guys. Oh my god, we just found this not information. So we just found this voice. Heard his voice, okay? Wow. So this is how you can find these YouTubers like that. So, oh my god, I have to go, guys. You have to please subscribe to my channel, okay? And bye bye.